In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to do a bulk upload. The bulk upload feature of MentorPRO allows you to bulk upload select contact and demographic information for multiple mentors or mentees into MentorPRO at one time. To upload contact information, we first need to download the appropriate documents. So to do that, we'll go over to Resources and Getting Started. That will bring us to the Resources page, and we'll simply scroll down and we'll look for the heading Bulk Upload Resources. I'd recommend downloading all 5 of these documents because they contain very valuable information that can further assist you in the process. There's instructions for mentors, for mentees, a bulk upload tip sheet, and then the 2 templates we'll download, which are Microsoft Excel spreadsheets that we'll use to upload contact information for mentors and mentees. I've already downloaded some of these documents, and I want to draw your attention specifically to the bulk upload tip sheet. I'm going to switch to that window now. The bulk upload tip sheet contains valuable information that will help to ensure that you enter the correct information for mentors and mentees. As we scroll down the page, I'll be able to show you exactly what I mean. When you download the template spreadsheets from MentorPRO, you'll notice that there are a variety of fields and headings at the top of the page. Those correspond to the column name column on the tip sheet. So person first name, person middle name, and so on correspond to what you'll see on the template spreadsheets. After you've taken a good look at the tip sheet, the next step will be to look at the templates. I've downloaded the bulk upload template for mentors, and the templates are very similar. They just contain some different fields. So we'll just use mentors for our example. I've already downloaded it and I have it open, so I'll switch to that window. As you can see, when you download the template, there will be several columns and rows that are already filled out. Those are there as examples for you to take a look at and to pattern your own entries after. If we focus on the headings, we can see that those correspond with the bulk upload tip sheet that we just looked at. It's really easy to simply open up your old database if it's in a spreadsheet or Word or Access file and just copy and paste, hopefully saving you a lot of time in the process. As I scroll from left to right, you can get a quick picture of the fields that are available. I'm going to go ahead and enter a new record into this spreadsheet, and then we're going to upload it into MentorPRO so you can see exactly the steps that we need to take. As you can see, I've entered a mentor named Josh Howard into my spreadsheet, and as I scroll from left to right, you'll see some important fields that we need to pay special attention to. In the first place is the state. Now in this spreadsheet we're working with Virginia, so obviously it'll change based on your location. And for those of us in Michigan, we'll want to enter MI. Also take note of how I entered the phone number. The format is very important, otherwise it won't be recognized. There's no parentheses, no periods, and no spaces. It's 3 digits separated by a dash, 3 digits, dash, 4 digits. Also take note of the way that I've entered dates. Just like in the examples above, you enter the 2-digit month slash 2-digit date slash 4-digit year. You also want to make sure to pay attention to your spelling for gender and for race other, and also for marital status. MentorPRO won't recognize things if you don't spell them correctly, and that's all detailed in the tip sheet. Finally, we want to take special note of the application start date. Remember, this is a date that can't be changed once you enter it, so be sure to double check those dates before you hit save and before we do the bulk upload. Now we're going to talk about how we need to save this spreadsheet. We have to save it as a CSV file, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm using Word 2007. So it might look a little bit different if you're using an older version. But I'm going to go to Save As, and then I'm going to click Other Formats. And in the box that appears, I want to pay attention to the drop-down box that says Save As Type. I'm going to click the down arrow, and I'm going to locate CSV. There it is. And I'm going to click it. I'm not going to change the name. That's really important. And I'm just going to select a place to save it on my hard drive. I'm going to select the desktop so it's easy to find. Once I've done that, I click Save. I'll see a couple prompts, and I'll want to click Yes, and then I'll be ready to go. So the spreadsheet's filled out, it's saved as a CSV file, and now it's ready to be uploaded, which is our final step. One last thing though before we move on. All of these examples need to be deleted before we upload it to our program. So let's go ahead and delete them. Let's delete these rows and save one more time. I click Save, I see the prompt, I click Yes, and now we're ready to go. As you can see, now I'm back in MentorPRO. Then I'm going to move over to the menu and click Bulk Upload. And again, I'll select the program I want to enter a mentor into. And I'm going to select Mentor in this case because I was working with the Mentor spreadsheet. And in the Browse box, I'm going to click and I'm going to locate the file that I've just saved to my desktop. You'll see the icon appear in the Open dialog looks different from other Excel spreadsheets. You'll see that it has the letter A and a comma. And that just indicates to you that it's a comma delimited format or a CSV file. So I select that file and click Open. Then I click Bulk Upload. If you're uploading several mentors or mentees, it might take a few seconds, so give it time. But here we're just uploading one, so it happened pretty quickly. And here I can see uploaded one record out of one record, so I know I've had success. Also, you notice that there's a place to generate reports for bulk uploads. You can specify a date range if you want to. I just click Generate Report, and here's the result. As we can see, my mentor, Josh Howard, appears on this report because he was successfully uploaded to the program. So we've successfully uploaded a mentor. Now we need to take a look at that mentor's record to see exactly what information was uploaded. To do that, I'll go to Manage Mentor and click Update Mentor. I'll search for Josh Howard, since that's who we entered, and then I'll select his name from the list that appears and click Update. We've successfully filled out the information that appears in the Contact Info tab. If I click on Profile tab, you'll see that I've also entered some information related to the Profile tab as well. However, if we take a look at the rest of the tabs, we'll see that they're still blank. So some of these other tabs like Goals and Interests, etc., still need to be filled out manually. Additionally, Josh will appear as Screening in Process on the Important Screening tab. He won't appear in the match pool until I click Approved and click Change Status. So that's it. We've successfully uploaded a mentor to MentorPRO using the bulk upload feature. As always, feel free to contact us if we can assist you in any way.